Have you ever wondered why your stomach growls when you're hungry? It's not your stomach asking for a snack, it's your digestive system at work. When your stomach is empty, the digestive juices and gases move around, creating those funny sounds. It's like your tummy's way of saying, time for a refill. So, the next time your belly serenades you, remember it's just your body doing its job. If you enjoyed this tidbit about your tummy, give us a thumbs up and hit that follow button for more fascinating facts about your amazing body.